Dear users, welcome to the video. Just to make you more familiar and comfortable with the Skills Build portal, we the EduNet team has created this video. All the users must have received an invitation email from Your Learning. The subject line will be You're invited to Your Learning. The most important point, if you don't find the email in your primary inbox, please try to look for the same in your spam folder. You have to simply click on Go to Your Learning in your email body. You will be redirected to the Skills Build page. Here you have to log in via your Google account, that's your Gmail ID. Please use your same Gmail ID on which you have received the invitation email. Click on Google and you will be redirected to the home page of Skills Build. This is the home page of Skills Build portal. These are the various courses. So on the top right corner, if I click on the initials of my name, I will be able to view my profile. So these are the various areas of interest. You can select various areas of interest. So if I select the courses and I click on continue, my profile will be saved and it will ask some basic information. If you want to change, it will show your basic information. I'll click on done. So here we are redirected to the home page. So these are the various courses, like say if I click on Guide to Company Culture in Job Readiness Skills. So this is about the course. This is a 10-minute course. This is the description of the course. If you want to start this course, you have to click on Go to this activity. You will be redirected to the course. So the course name was Guide to Company Culture. So these are the quick navigation links. If I click on what is company culture, I will be redirected to the same content. So the attributes, core values, so these are the various content which is available. Quick navigation is also available in the right side as well. So if I go back to the Skills Build page, these are two options for you. If I want to learn this course after some time, or I need to learn some other course in between this, so I will simply add to my learning queue. Now this course is added to my learning queue. You can see your learning queues at the end of the page. Here we have learning queues. I will click on the same and I'll get the course here. Like if I have added this to my queue, I'll click on the course again. The other option is mark this course as completed. So I'll click on this. This was a 10 minutes course, so while I submit this, these 10 minutes will be added to my completed course. So I'll submit this. So completions also you can see at the end of the page. In Your Learning you will find completions. Click on the same. So these are the various courses I have completed with the dates on which I have completed, and you can also download the report. Like if you want to see how many courses you have completed and on which date, if you want to maintain that in a sheet, you need not to create your own sheet. You can simply download the data from here. If you still face any issue, you can write back to us at our official email ID, which is eufstudents@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.